Who are you in the absence of memory? Here is the question I have for you. If you saw everything appearing to you right now for the first time, how would your experience be? No memory to compare to, no past experience. If your friend with whom you're having the conversation right now was appearing to you for the very first time, how would that feel like? So what I'm about to share with you will change how you treat every event happening to you in the future. Welcome back. This is I Be Do Have. I am extremely excited today to welcome you to a new series titled The Path to Self. You see, your mind couldn't answer that question, and you know why? Your mind is a memory. How could it even attempt to answer a question about the experience without what it is? It is impossible to do that. You're asking the mind that is a memory to tell you what it is when it is not there. How could it even try to answer such a question? And you see, with the help of memory, when we see a tree, it reminds us of something else. Oh, that is an apple tree. And you know why? There is a collection of that memory in our database. We can refer what is in front of us right now to something we have seen, we've learned, we've felt in the past. I've seen this man. It reminds me of my friend. I have seen this lady. It reminds me of my parent, of my spouse. This is memory being triggered to make what is appearing in front of us relevant. Even we become a collection of remembered self. And I'm going to say that again. You become a collection of remembered self. I am an engineer. Who are you? I have a PhD. I have a master's degree. I am. All of that description is a collection of memory. In the absence of memory, who are you? Let's take a step back. The closest you can have to pure presence is a child, 2, 3, 1, 4 years. When a child sees a tree, it's simply a tree. When a child sees a person for the first time, it's simply that. No attack alert. Everything is pure presence. A child experiences everything as friendly. I've been to see children who actually dips their hand into a lighted candle. They get burnt and they take their hands off it and they don't go back there because now they've built a memory of what it feels like to touch a burning fire. They know that touching this candle the next time will hurt them because they've built a memory of that. When a child sees a tree, the tree isn't boring. The tree isn't beautiful. It is just it. Humans aren't threat to children. They're just pure being, friendly, loving, kind, and they smile. What a gift. Spend time to look at the life of a child and you will find the self you've once forgotten. This is how it feels like when storm hits you, when trouble comes, when you feel like you've been attacked. You remember. Your mind isn't telling you it has remembered something. No, your mind tells you to raise your guard. It is a defense mechanism. And there you go. The purpose of your mind, the primary goal of your mind is protection. Your mind's goal is to protect your body mind. Protecting your body. You know what? That is the reason your forefathers weren't eaten up by tigers. And that is the reason you are actually able to get home safe from work. You don't get hit by a vehicle because you know how to protect your body. Your memories are intact. You know exactly what path to walk home. Your memory's fundamental role is protection of your body mind. But you remember, you are also a collection of remembered self, a collection of memory. When someone criticizes you, your mind triggers an attack level security of 10, 10 being the highest. This is an attack. Please defend and protect. When you receive a rejection later for a job you applied to, your mind treats that as an attack to your personality. Security level increase high, defend and attack. This is your mind playing its defense mechanism, triggering your reaction based on memory. Can you see that clearly now? But you see, this is where it all goes wrong. Your mind isn't protecting just your body anymore. It is also going further to protect the collection of remembered self. It is protecting the storyline. But you know what? You are not the story. You are awareness that is aware of everything, including the story. When trouble fades away, when challenges fades away, when the emotions dies off, it feels like peace has finally returned. No, nothing returned. You just remembered who you truly are. You remembered who you already are. No wonder Jesus said in Matthew 19, verse 14, "Let these little children come to me, for the kingdom of heaven belongs to people who lives their lives like these little ones." And you know why? Because children have no fortress of memories to protect. No memories to protect. No stories to protect. That is pure presence in front of you. And this is my challenge for you. I want you to remember home. And peace is what home feels like when there is nothing to defend, when there is no memory to protect, when mind loses his fundamental role of protecting a storyline. All that is left is peace. You are not that story. You are not that experience. You are the awareness upon which every memory, every experience unfolds. And my challenge for you this week is to go out there and live your life knowing that you are not the storyline. You are that who is aware of memory and everything. Until next time, bye for now.